If you've ever watched Peaky Blinders, you know that Thomas Shelby doesn't need to shout. He doesn't need to talk too much. But when he does, everyone listens. Why? Because he has charisma. Charisma isn't about looks, height, or money. It's about knowing how to attract and influence people. The good news is charisma is a skill. You can learn it. And today, you will discover the exact techniques that legends like Thomas Shelby, Steve Jobs, and Muhammad Ali Calais used to become charismatic and influential, even if they are naturally shy. Part 1. Why is charisma important? Imagine this. You walk into a room and when you start speaking, everyone stops to listen. A regular person says the same thing, and no one even looks up. The difference? Charisma. Here's where 99% of people go wrong. Most think charisma means being talkative or outgoing, but charismatic people like Thomas Shelby speak less, yet every word carries weight. Charisma is a social superpower. It makes people want to listen to you, respect you, and trust you. Whether in business or personal life, being charismatic helps you get what you want faster and easier. Part 2. 5 golden techniques to become charismatic. Number 1. The deep attention technique. Real charisma comes from listening. Do you know the biggest mistake in communication? People focus on what to say next instead of actually listening. How to use it? Put your phone away when someone is talking. Just look at them. Use the reflection technique. Repeat or summarize what the other person said. This makes people feel truly understood, which builds instant charisma. In Peaky Blinders, Tommy often pauses before answering. Why? Because silence is more powerful than 1,000 words. How to use it? Before responding, pause for 2 or 3 seconds. This shows your words have weight. If someone argues with you, stay silent and just look at them. This puts you in control. Sometimes a smirk is more powerful than an answer. Number 2. Open body language. Confidence first, charisma follows. Studies show that 93% of communication is nonverbal. How you stand, look, and move matters more than your words. How to use it? Stand tall, don't slouch. Maintain eye contact, but don't stare aggressively. Use open and relaxed hand gestures. Practical example. If someone stands with slouched shoulders, eyes down, and a weak voice, how do you perceive them? Now imagine someone standing tall, speaking clearly, and making eye contact. That's the power of body language. Look at how Thomas Shelby walks, calm, controlled, hands in pockets, head up. That's power. How to apply it like Tommy? Never slouch. It signals insecurity. Use controlled hand gestures while talking. Eye contact plus slight smirk equals deadly charisma combo. Number 3. The power of voice. Speak like a leader. Charismatic people aren't just impactful because of what they say, but because of how they say it. How to use it? Vary your tone. Don't speak in one monotonous voice. Pause in the middle of a sentence. It makes your words feel important. Don't raise your voice at the end of a sentence. It makes you sound unsure. Practical exercise. Say, I can do this. First, say it quickly without confidence. Now say it slowly, with a slight pause and a lower tone. Feel the difference? The biggest mistake is talking too much. charismatic people don't fill silence with unnecessary words. I think this idea is pretty good and might work. No, it's not good. This idea is great. It will work. Exactly. Number 4. The storytelling secret. People react to stories. The most charismatic people always have a story to tell. Why? Because our brains are wired to love stories. How to use it? Instead of saying, I used to be shy, say, I remember the first time I had to speak in front of a crowd. My heart was pounding. Use short, impactful stories with a lesson. Show real emotions in your stories. Example, a famous professor once said, either you tell your story or the world tells it for you. If you want to be influential, tell a great story. Number 5. The power of the smirk and humor. Instantly double your charisma. A natural smile and a little humor can double your charisma. Why? Because people are drawn to those who make them feel good. How to use it? Keep a subtle smile while talking. Don't force it. Make a light joke, but about yourself, not others. This shows confidence. What is the Tommy Shelby's secret? He sometimes cracks a joke, but always in a calm and composed way. This makes him seem completely in control. Practical example. If someone asks, why are you always so calm? Just smirk and say, because I always have a plan. The Shelby effect. Combining these for ultimate charisma. Imagine walking into a room. People are talking, but the moment you enter, there is a subtle shift in the energy. Not because you're loud or aggressive, but because your presence commands attention. Why? You use a strong body language. You speak less, but with impact. You listen deeply, pause before answering, and keep a mysterious smirk. And finally, let's end with a Tommy Shelby quote. When people think you've lost, that's when you rise and do what no one expects. We don't get second chances. So rise, be charismatic, be influential, and make sure when your name is mentioned, everyone stops to listen. Comment below. Which of these techniques are you going to try first? Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.